Hey my good friend, Sam Haymart with Test Driven TV. We've got a long-term test Ford Maverick and we've been trying out a lot of products on it this year, and one of the coolest ones and most affordable ones I've tried yet is the new Muslogy center console organizer. If you live in your Ford Maverick and keep a lot of doodads with you, the center console is a key for all of the little things. I tend to keep chapstick, hand sanitizer, napkins, and all the other little stuff I generally don't want cluttering up my space stowed away in there. I like my truck to look clean and neat. The only drawback with the center console box is that if you really have a lot of stuff, it can get to be like an old drawer full of junk that you have to dig through to find what you want. Enter the new 2-layer center armrest storage tray system from Muslogy that can help bring order and organization to the whole mess. Muslogy is a brand of automotive accessories primarily found on Amazon, with an online store stocked with items for several cars and a growing line for the Ford Maverick. There are dash dress-up kits, storage solutions, and more. Their center console tray system for the 2022 and 2023 Ford Maverick is custom designed to fit. It's constructed of a high-quality, heavy-feeling ABS plastic, and it features rubberized PVC factory-style inserts for the bottom trays that keeps things from rattling and moving around. The rubberized tray inserts are available in a number of colors to help tie in with the accent colors of your Ford Maverick depending on your trim grade. I got black since I have a base model Maverick XL. The trays stack together and interlock with a tight and precise fit. You can use either one or both in your center console depending on your storage needs and preferences. They both fit inside the console itself pretty snug, either or both, no rattling or moving around. The top tray is about 1¼ inches deep and features a divider for several items. There's a rounded section for coins and a set of slots for cards. The divided flat sections have the rubberized liners and are probably good for glasses, a lighter, lip balm, or other immediately reach-for things. The lower tray is almost 3 inches deep on its own and has about a 1-inch height inside if you use the top tray stacked with it. With both trays installed, the lower section of the console remains with about 2 inches of storage height for the larger things that might be secondary to you in your daily slog. Having tried it all out, for my own use habits and needs, I think I'm just going to use the top tray for my most grabbed things behind the wheel. That'll allow me a still pretty deep storage space for all my other stuff and still treat it like an old drawer. For the retail price of $22.99, the price seems to be fair, and the quality level of the pieces certainly lives up to OEM levels, if not a little better than some of the pieces found around the Ford Maverick interior. Well, there you have it, the Muslogy center console tray system. I like it. I'm going to use that top tray, as I said, put all my little things in it, and I'm going to still treat the bottom of it like a big bin to just sort of rumble around in for stuff. Yeah. Now there's a link down below for you to learn more about the product. As I said, about 23 bucks. So there you go. Now we've got a lot of other content on the Maverick, test drives, technical, how-to, more accessories right there on our playlist, over 50 videos. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel right there, because either way, I want you to stay tuned.